Hey there, Limitless tribe. Have you ever felt like you're merely a leaf drifting in the wind of other people's opinions? Or like you're constantly dancing to someone else's tune? What if I told you that the melody, the rhythm, the symphony of your life is yours to conduct? Welcome to your journey of self-discovery, a deep dive into the invisible threads that might be subtly pulling your power away. It's about the symphony of yes and no, the silent achievements and the unwarranted sorry. It's about invisible boundaries, unspoken verses, the mirror of comparison, the maze of overthinking, the vortex of validation, and the scale of self-care. So come, let's explore together. Uncover and reclaim the power that's rightfully yours. Your narrative is far from being uniformly ordinary. It's the thrilling burst of tales woven with complexity and uniqueness. So stay tuned until the end of this video as I unveil 10 ways you might be unintentionally surrendering your power and how to grasp it back. Embark on this journey with me because, ladies, it's time to master the art of your personal symphony. Let's find out how you're giving your power away. So first, a symphony of yeses and nos. In life's grand orchestra, every woman has her part to play. Sometimes you feel compelled to always play the yes note, even when your heart is aching to play the no. This melody of compliance can steal the harmony of personal autonomy and decision-making and use of time, as well as your empowerment. Next, the silent symphony of achievement. Among all the voices you might be conducting your silent symphony, dimming the celebration of your accomplishments and hiding your brilliance behind curtains of humility. Constantly downplaying your talents fosters an image of inadequacy, taking away the recognition you so richly deserve. Next, we have the sorry syndrome, like a recurring motif in your speech. That unnecessary sorry might appear more than needed. This continuous, unwarranted apology portrays an image of constant error, subtly undermining your authoritative voice and giving away some of your power. How about boundaries? The invisible walls of respect. Perhaps you traverse life's pathways without establishing these walls, thereby opening doors to unwelcome intrusions in your personal or professional spheres. A lack of boundaries can make you vulnerable to disregard or misuse, causing a loss of control over your personal domain. Next, we have the dance of salary negotiation. On the negotiation floor, you might sometimes hesitate, possibly accepting the first offer given, not pushing for a reward that truly matches your skill and effort. Such hesitancy can limit you to less than you genuinely deserve. And how about the unspoken verse? In the poetic rhythm of life, you might silence your verses, fearing disruption or criticism. This self-censorship can deprive you of influencing your surroundings or asserting your viewpoints. And what about the mirror of comparison? Sometimes when you gaze in the mirror, you might see not yourself but others, measuring your worth against these silhouettes. This comparison can breed self-doubt and feelings of inadequacy, eating away at your personal strength and self-worth. Next, we have the maze of overthinking. Trapped in the convoluted corridors of your thoughts, you might overanalyze each move. This perpetual pondering can quash your confidence, leading to hesitation and uncertainty that obstructs decisive actions. And then there's the validation vortex. In your search for acceptance, you might find yourself caught in the whirlwind of external validation. By grounding your self-worth in the opinions of others, you might unintentionally let go of your personal power and control. And lastly, and most importantly, the scales of self-care. In life's equilibrium, you might consistently prioritize others over yourself, overlooking the essential balance of self-care. This self-set imbalance can slowly wear you out, draining your vitality, fortitude, and sense of self-value. So ladies, remember, the symphony of your life should be composed by none other than yourself. It's your melodies, your rhythms, your crescendos make your life's music beautifully unique. Burstiness and complexity are the spice of life, and you should feel empowered to embrace them. It's a journey, and like any, there might be detours and obstacles, But with awareness, resilience, and practice, you can claim back the baton of your power and conduct your own orchestra of life with confidence and grace. So let's keep this conversation going. If you have any personal insights, any stories, any advice to share, let's hear them in the comments below. Together we grow stronger, we grow bolder, we grow wiser. And ladies, it's our time to rise and shine, to conduct our personal symphony with flair. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Let's grow our tribe of courageous women. And thank you for watching. And remember, you're not just part of the music, you're the conductor. Keep shining your light and reclaiming your power. And I wish for you great success, love, and happiness. And until next time, remember that you are a strong, beautiful, limitless woman.